How to change your Google search country. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change your Google search country. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your Google browser and simply search for google.com. What this will do is this will open up this google.com page where you will see your country which you are currently using your Google search on. And to change that, you need to head over to settings right here. Then go to search settings. And after you're there, you will see an option where if you'll need to go to other settings first. And there you'll see language and region. Tap on language and region. And from here, you can change your region. Change your region result and change it to someplace else. Well, if I change it to Australia, now it'll show me results from Australia. So if I head back now and again go to Google, as you can see now it's on Australia. Now, the difference here will be whenever I search for google.com and it's not, I mean, if it's on my current region, it'll show me search results of my current region. But if I change it to someplace else like Australia or United States, India, it'll just show me the results of that very region. And that's how you do this. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.